Wait, you have to like check in. I'll be there. Okay. Ready? Ah, damn it! Okay. Are you videotaping? Hurry up!
Yes! Crap, Nicole's in it!
My name is
Your last name?
Jonathan Cook! Just get around! Get around! Get around! Get around!
Okay, the doctor will be with you shortly. 205 and set her down on the bed.
Here you go, baby mama! Here you go!
Ow!
Hello? Hello. Are you the one registered under the name Cook?
Yep.
Okay, and your name is, hun?
Helen.
Oh, I met with you earlier. Yeah.
Yep. Our water broke up in the stirrups, honey!
Okay.
Up in the stirrups! Mind your gaze! You're taking a food! You're taking a food! You're taking a food! Are you ready?
Face this way, hun.
Push like you're taking a food!
That's what it's all about. Okay. Are you going in?
Emily! You guys, hold her hand! Hold her hand! Push!
Ready? Oh, here comes the first one. Oh, what a beautiful
Breathe, honey,
baby.
breathe! It's a boy!
You ready?
It's a boy!
Okay, are you ready?
He's
Ready?
gay! It's a boy!
Here comes the second one. Here it comes. Oh, good job.
Oh my
Good
God!
job.
It's another boy!
Oh, thank God.
Boys! Honey, we've got boys!
Good job.
Wow! Surviving the race! Yeah! Oh! Oh!
Why did you pick this animal?
I don't think that.
Animal.
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 I don't think that. Must be drunk tonight. Okay, now we have Abby pop out of somewhere. Abby and Megan.